Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Please, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, I welcome you in a special way. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I prepared this goat meat pepper soup. I went to the market to get the goat head. What I used for this pepper soup is goat head. So I'm going to carry you guys along to the market. I'm going to be showing you how they slaughtered the meat for me, and I will also be showing you how I prepared it. Oh yes, I'm already in the market. As you can see, the man is slaughtering the goat head for me. If you're in Nigeria, this goat head cost me 4,500 naira to buy. I went to nearby local market to get this goat head because today is Saturday and hubby said we need to take pepper soup. So here we are in the market. The man is doing justice to the goat head. I beat this goat. Oh. So right inside the market, I will go around to get my natural spices and my scent leaf, my fresh pepper, and my onions that I'll be using to prepare this goat meat. I'll be getting all of them in the market. This is a local market. Everything you need is in this market. So I'm going to pick all the things I'll be using for this pepper soup right inside the market. Hello people, you're welcome back to my kitchen. I'm back from the market, so I want to start preparing the pepper soup. As you can see, here is the meat. I've already divided it into two. Here I have the brain tied with my clean film. You can choose to cook it together without tying it, but I prefer tying it. So I'm going to wash this thoroughly and put inside my pot. I learned that some pregnant women don't take this. I don't know how true that news is, but I heard it from someone. So here I have my seasoning cube. I got it from the local market. They said it's for goat meat pepper soup. I have the rest of the ingredients. You can see the natural spices. I got these natural spices for pepper soup in the market. Then here I have my scent leaf. I have my salt. The next thing I have is my oziza seed. I'm using oziza seed for this pepper soup. Then I have my onions and my red bell pepper. So let's dive into the main thing. Here is my scent leaf. I'm going to wash it, slice it and set it aside. I think it's the last thing I'm going to be adding in this pepper soup. This is another ingredient that will take your pepper soup to another level. I don't know the name of this stuff. Ask your mom, but I got it from the local market where they sell natural spices. It's going to make this pepper soup taste so wow. Hi guys, please, if you know the name of this natural spice, help me write it in the comment section. I will really do appreciate it. So guys, I'm going to be removing the brain, and I will also remove that spice that I said I don't know the name. If you know the name of the spice, please help me write it in the comment section. I really want to know the name right now. So the next thing I'll be introducing is my scent leaf. I will add my scent leaf. I'm going to give it a quick stir. Then I'm going to turn off my heat so that the pepper soup will be fresh. You can see that it is ready. Turn off the heat at this moment. Pardon us, the NEPA people just took the light, so the video is no longer bright. The meal is ready. It is ready. So yummy, so sweet. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video and don't forget to give me a good comment. It is ready. If you're interested, come closer, come closer, come closer. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate you. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.